If you liked the look of Keychron's excellent Q1 and Q2 mechanical keyboards but aren't a fan of their compact layouts, then the Q3 might be for you. It has a larger and more traditional tankulus (TKL) design, which means it should feel more familiar to most people. Despite its larger layout, the Q3 uses a similar aluminum construction and gasket mount design to the Q1 and Q2, which made for a great typing feel on both keyboards. The Keychron Q3's layout is configurable thanks to its support for QMK firmware, which means you can swap the positions of its keys on a hardware level or program various macros. Meanwhile, its switches are hot swappable, so they can be changed without needing to desolder them. Available switches include Gateron G Pro Reds, Blues, or Browns. The keyboard itself supports both Windows and Mac. It connects to a computer via an included, detachable USB-C cable. Sales for the Keychron Q3 open today on Keychron's website. Available colors include black, gray, and blue, and there's also the option of getting the keyboard with a US, aka ANSI, layout or a European ISO layout. Prices start at $154 for the barebones version, which comes without switches or keycaps, or $174 for a fully assembled model with PBT keycaps. And yes, it's available with a reprogrammable volume knob, $164 barebones, $184 fully assembled. Recommended by Top of Comments.